Today is a Storm Track 5 weather alert day as steady snow will increase across the area, especially through mid-morning and then tapering off slowly late this afternoon heading into the evening hours. Two areas of thunderstorms going to combine here in Kansas City. This is the center point for those thunderstorms. East of I-35 along 169 highway and 69 highway, you need to be taking shelter now. There's going to be a huge swath and a big portion of the country getting hit with snow.
What are they feeling out there? Oh, whoa,
look at this.
Whoa. Wait, so they do have fireworks.
Timing was perfect. Another cold front that moves in on Friday, reinforcing that colder air. We're looking southbound behind me on 435, where you can see still hazard lights on from several semis. A lot of people slow moving this morning because this entire road, the stretch of 435 and beyond, is covered in ice. You know what I think about peeps and the weather tomorrow? Trash. Trash. Just put it in the trash. Tomorrow's weather is not going to be that great. Really depends on that first round whether or not the second one will become severe. That number plays a key role in what kind of precipitation we get. I've already seen heat index values above 100 degrees. Those kind of dogs are probably used to the temperatures getting down into the teens and 20s. But unlike Rufus here, who you can clearly see is shivering because it is pretty cold for both of us. A few pockets that may not see a whole lot of snow just yet, but give it time, that snow will fill into your neighborhood. And it looks like the National Weather Service is going with this report. The polygon you see here is now turned black. That is an indication that there has been confirmation of a tornado on the ground. Here's the big reveal. You guys have all been waiting for the word. And it's coats.
Oh, Grace,
woo!
look at you.
Grace, it's relative.
Redemption.
We are checking in with all the fans and tailgaters, and if you're planning to come out to Arrowhead Stadium, you might need a bigger boat. We've got SSKC TV5 here who's just gonna set sail because it's raining so hard. We'll be right back after this. And we're tracking a lot of sunshine across the area as you look at all our KB Complete City cams of Kansas City. Temperatures getting into the 80s today. Will we hit 90 soon? I'll get to that answer in just minutes.
No, not that 20%.
that terrible 20%, God forbid. We may increase it. I don't know. We'll have to find out.
All going on, so we're ready to go.
All the works, you guys. They've been just here cooking and grilling, doing all the sorts of things, and even though this rain is coming down so hard, it has not stopped fans. So we'll be back in a few minutes to talk with more fans and see how they're coping with all the weather here at Arrowhead Stadium.
Other cities encourage them. All right, we got one last time to check in with Alena. And Alena, I got my pillow here. Better get some good weather. Tell me that rain disappeared. Or this pillow's coming.
You're gonna start swinging. Where did that thing come from? Well, I hope folks realize what's going to go on tomorrow because it's going to rain. So if you don't watch the news, you're not paying attention, don't get caught off guard. We're telling you now, there's a chance for rain tomorrow, and it's higher than 20%, Greg. Satellite and radar. Let's start off with that. Here we go. We've got some clouds to our south. Those are going to continue to increase across the area as we head through the remainder of tonight. Spreading the picture out a little bit, the energy for our next storm system coming in over the Rockies now at this moment. So all this activity you see here associated with the storm system that's going to continue sliding east, and that'll bring us our next chance of rain. So here it is. Let me take you through our forecast track. As we head through the overnight hours after midnight, we could already see some rain starting to develop. It'll be very light and scattered as we start the morning. This is 6 o'clock, so if you have any Sunday morning services, don't forget the rain gear. By midday, early afternoon, we're talking 11 a.m., lunchtime, 1 o'clock. That's where things get a little more widespread. Perhaps you may hear a rumble of thunder or two. I'm thinking mostly rain, though, no severe weather, and just certainly a soggy start to our Easter Sunday. That rain clears out, though, as we head through the 5 and 6 o'clock hours. So the second half of the day, we eventually dry out. So it's not going to rain all day long. Certainly might feel that way, though, if you're up at 6 a.m. and you're spending time looking outside your window for several hours. At least the rain tapers off by the afternoon and evening, and by Monday, things should dry out. So just to give you an idea of those rain chances, up to about a 40% shot by 8 o'clock and 10 a.m., maybe even increasing by 10. Certainly going to be up to 80% by noontime, 70 by at least 2 o'clock. So numerous showers likely at that point, and then those rain chances tapering off through the afternoon and evening. By the way, here is our hourly breakdown for Easter Sunday. If you missed this forecast a couple of days ago, here it is in the form of peeps. Upper 30s to start your morning. The afternoon, we only bump up to 42 degrees with a chance for rain. That tapers off. Cloud cover may stick around for a little bit, 39 degrees. But you know what I think about peeps and the weather tomorrow? trash. Trash. Just put it in the trash. Tomorrow's weather's not going to be that great, unfortunately, which means if you are going to the K, you'll probably want a poncho. There will be showers moving through at first pitch, which is around 1:10. Expect the rain. And then by the end of the game, as that thing wraps up, temperatures will be in the low 40s, so not going to warm up a whole lot. And we'll be talking about a pretty active setup for our weather pattern by next week as well. Monday may be the only dry day for most of our viewing area until we get into Tuesday. Here's forecast track stopping at noontime. Showers will be developing to our west. They gradually build eastward, and we're looking at more widespread activity from Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. I think the most impactful weather, though, occurring on that Wednesday to start off with. Then the rain clears out. We may get another system coming in Thursday, and then another one on Friday. So you'll see here on our Security Bank 7-day forecast, multiple chances for rain throughout late next week. The good news is, too, while our rain chances may be going up, so will our temperatures this time. Upper 70s, maybe even near 80 degrees by next Saturday. Greg?
April showers bring May flowers.
There we go. That's what they say.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you very much, Alena.
Yep.